Managing PDFs efficiently is easier than ever with ai.foxit.com, a powerful web-based tool that helps streamline your document workflows. I'm managing a project and need to give a status report to my team. I've got a contract, reports, and meeting minutes, and I need to quickly get up to speed. With ai.foxit.com, I can do this in seconds right from my web browser. Open your web browser and navigate to ai.foxit.com. If you're a new user, sign up to create an account. If you already have a Foxit account, log in with your credentials. I can upload my PDF files by dragging and dropping them into the upload area, or selecting the files from my computer. I'll select the Summarize tool, and I'll get a concise overview of the key points of the contract. I'll upload the rest of my project documents. ai.foxit.com can also analyze image files as well. I can extract important details from all the documents in this project. It can even help me with conceptual searches. I'd like to share this info with the team, but I'll use Enhance Writing to change the length and tone of the verbiage. I can even translate this report for our Paris office. I'll copy it and send it off. With ai.foxit.com, working with PDFs is faster and smarter than ever. It's a huge time saver for administrative, legal, academic, and general office tasks. Try out these AI-powered tools today and take your document management to the next level. Need more information? Check out www.foxit.com. Did you find this helpful? Browse through our other tutorials now. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and click the bell for alerts.